Hi everybody, this is Matthew Cowie with Prince & Associates Realtors, and this beautiful home behind me is 2166 Joe Acuña Court here in Calexico. Let me take you inside and give you a tour. Welcome now to the inside of this home. The first thing you're going to notice when you walk in are these beautiful cathedral ceilings that lead to your living room, your dining room, and also the hallways to your family room and kitchen. Inside, the home has been completely repainted with all new carpet. This kitchen is fantastic, featuring Corian countertops, stainless steel appliances, tons of cabinet space, bar top seating with a breakfast nook, beautiful views of your backyard, and nice and open to your family room. Downstairs of this home not only has a living room, a dining room, and a beautiful family room that you see behind me with the fireplace, but also has a full bedroom and a full bathroom downstairs. About this home is this very spacious master bedroom, which leads to your master bath that has a separate shower and tub, dual sinks, and a huge walk-in closet. Upstairs for your family or guests, you have two full bedrooms, a full bathroom with dual sinks, and a nice linen cabinet, which is great for storage. Excited to show you the backyard, which is fully landscaped and irrigated. It has a jacuzzi tub with a gazebo, a nice patio slab, perimeter concrete, and a storage shed. For touring this beautiful home here located on 2166 Joe Acuña Court here in Calexico, listed for $339,900, featuring 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, just over 2,200 square feet, and it is clean and ready to go for you. I invite you to come see it for yourself next Wednesday at our open house, which is January 2nd. We'll be here from 4 o'clock to 7 o'clock to help tour this home for you. We'll have a lender on site. If you have any questions, feel free to comment on this thread or reach out to me, Matthew Cowie, 760-604-3166. Thanks for watching.